This is Cleveland. This is a dish that we make at Maples.
I'm gonna have a pickle chaser while you're talking.
But this, really what this is that my grandfather's 100 years old, and he is one of the people that taught me how to cook and love smoked meat. And so
I know, right?
This is Pap's dish, and it's a smoked pork rack, it's a smoked pork hock, and smoked kielbasa.
Yum.
Is the base of the dish. We make some dumplings that are actually gonna go in that stew too. But the first thing is we have...
So this is like a pot of Cleveland love.
This is a pot of Cleveland.
Yeah.
So in here, we have an onion and a head of cabbage.
Onion and a head of cabbage.
We took about a quart of hard cider and pureed it up with 4 ounces of sauerkraut.
Nice.
And it turns into this broth like this.
So it's tangy, it's kind of sweet and sour at the same time, and acidic because it's hard cider.
Correct. And your favorite beer?
Yep.
I like an IPA in this because of the hops.
I like IPA for cooking.
Are you feeling spicy?
Always.
All right, I know that. I knew the answer. Some chili flakes, a little bit of coriander. I'll let you put in the salt and pepper because I love when you throw it over your shoulder.
Yes, thank you, baby.
Right. So, and then this masterpiece, you throw in your kielbasa. You're giving it a little nap. You put in your
He's going into a little hot tub.
And you take in these beautiful pork chops, and you just nestle them in there so they are all happy.
Oh.
And then you put the lid on that, and that simmers.
Talk about love.
Yeah, that's my childhood in a pot.
Oh.
I mean, look at that.
Look at that. Look at that.
Right? So there's actually one more trick to this. We take 3 eggs, 2 cups of flour, a teaspoon of salt, and about 4 ounces of applesauce.
Nice.
We mix this into a batter.
I love that applesauce in the dumpling.
Correct. And you get, Rach, you get this batter that I'm going to show you. And you put it on a cutting board.
Beautiful.
So this is almost like a spetzel kind of batter.
Of course.
And then over here, we have some
they dropped
cooking.
it in there.
But
so you put this
what
in there,
you do
just cut it
is you just take you take your bench scraper,
right.
you dip it in the liquid so the dough doesn't stick to it, and then you start cutting
and
your
you just
dumplings.
drop them right in there.
Right in there, and
Shut
they cook.
the door.
Shut the door, right? Now.
All right. Listen, what year are you guys on at the Chew?
Season 7. We are getting ready to take our 1500th episode.
We passed 2,000 this year.
Wow.
It's amazing, isn't it?
It is.
It's amazing.
You know, I didn't think we'd make it through the first week, and here we are 7 years later.
Isn't it weird?
Yeah,
it's great,
fantastic.
It's good,
We're having a lot of fun.
It's really, really good.
We're having a lot of fun. Okay.
Oh, it's so good.
Spicy mustard.
Oh, on everything.
And put in a little bit of that parsley right there.
Yes, sure. Oh, come on.
So then. Right?
I love you.
I love you too.
When the season's over,